All right, it's day 3 of my solo van venturing. Making myself a little breakfast here. Got some eggs on. Got some videos going. It's like snowy and well, it's supposed to be snowing. It's not snowing yet, but it's definitely a bit cold and windy outside. So I'm trying to have a bit of a relaxing morning, and then I'm gonna go check out this Colorado National Monument in a little while. Well, it looks like my breakfast is ready, so my eggs are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my breakfast on. I'll check up on day 4.